Hi, my name is Luke Johnson. I am the owner of howtousethesis.net, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that I've learned since I've started using Thesis. The first thing I wanted to show you, and is something that maybe at first you get confused and frustrated about, is how to change the images that you have on your multimedia box at the beginning. I have two computer screens, so I'll be looking over here, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing on the screen. First you go to your FTP and you go to your WP content. You go to your themes, and Thesis 1.7 is what I'm using right now. I hope to upgrade in the future. And you see this is custom sample. You have to change this and rename it in order to use it. So you delete that and you save it, and now you can use what's inside. You go in here and you have your image folder, which has nothing in it. But if you go to your rotator, and this is where your rotator pictures are, you have all your pictures right here. Let's say that these pictures, which you can view and edit, if you right click you can view and edit, are these pictures right here. Let's say you want to put a picture of yourself, like this one right here. You can just drag it over to your FTP, drop it in there, and it should go in there just fine. Okay, now you have that picture in there. And let's see, the next step. Oh, okay. And let's make sure that it's working. I have all these other images on here. Let me see if I can rotate it in there. Okay, it's not going to do it that easily. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete these. Or move them actually over to here. You can move them both ways if you need to. That way I don't lose these images. Let's delete them. And let's see if it will do it now. And there it is. And that's me right there. Okay, now let's say you don't really want these images on there. Or maybe you see how the alt text comes up, Brett JPEG. Let's say you want to change that. So you just go to your admin panel or your WordPress. You go to your design options under Thesis. You go down to your multimedia box. And right now it's set on rotating images. And for some reason it's got all these on here. Let's see if I refresh, if it's going to have all those images on there again. Let's go back down. Rotating images, and it's only got the one that I added. Okay, so now let's say that we're going to put funny as our alt text. And let's say we're going to use the URL that's the website. Just push paste. And it should do fine. Once you do all this, you click save. Let's go back to the site. Let's see if it worked. Okay, it says funny. If I click it, reloads the same page, and there we go. Now, this is just a couple of things that I want to show you. Of course, I'm learning how to use Thesis, and the more I learn, the more hopefully I'll be able to show you. Let's see. If there's something else I wanted to show you real quick. Oh yes. For the most part, like for me, I do not like I don't like having the rotating images. I actually want a custom code on there because I want to put my affiliate code on a prominent spot on my site, and that's a prominent a prominent spot on the site. So let's see. Let's go down to the multimedia box, and we're going to go to custom code, which I already have my custom code in there, and hit save. Now the custom code should be a Thesis affiliate code, and it is. There it is. And it's pretty easy to do. All these things are actually really easy to do. But I guess that's all I need to show you right now. If there's anything like you want to ask, like maybe there's not something, like maybe you're having trouble with something, maybe I can answer it, just leave a comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. My name is Luke Johnson, and thanks for watching this video.